The daily code snippet. One of the attributes for the image element is src, source. The source attribute defines the file path so the browser can find your image to load it into the web page. Sometimes writing a correct file path becomes a stumbling block for new coders. When you are going into a folder or down a level, you add a / before the folder name, except for the first folder. When you are going out of the folder or up a level, you add a .. You always make the path relative to your current position. So in this example, to get from the index.html page to the image.jpg file, you would write assets / images / image.jpg. But to go to the same file from the page.html file that is in the pages folder, you would write .. assets / images / image.jpg. Old method. Image. Source equals image.jpg. Alt equals a sample image. Title equals image. Width equals 500. Height equals 600. You may also see the addition of height and width attributes used with the image element. Usually the size is noted in pixels. This is an older way of writing HTML, and the preferred method is to adjust these attributes in the CSS or cascading style sheets rather than adjust the height and width of an image using HTML. As we start to discuss CSS more, you will start to understand why. New method. HTML, image, source, image.jpg, alt, a sample image, title equals image, CSS, image, bracket, width, 500 pixels, height, 600 pixels, end bracket. Presented by Designers Learn Code.